Open a PriMus document that you want to compare with other documents.
Access the print page and select Comparison Table, Advanced. Add a new print node and choose one of the documents to compare. The Comparison Table, Advanced, allows you to compare up to 5 documents with each other. You can choose whether to compare each document with the one that precedes it in the list, or whether to compare each one with the currently open document. In the Table Type section, you can force the comparison of each item exclusively on the basis of the order number, the article, or the tariff code. Close the dialog and get the preview of the comparison table, where the selected documents are generically defined as Survey 1, 2, 3, etc. And for each one, the variation of the quantities and the variation of the amounts are specified, also in the form of a percentage.